Hello, we are product furniture and ceramic students. I'm Olivia.
I'm Grace.
And I'm Maddie.
And we're going to give you a tour of our facilities. We are in Henry Building and this is our studio. The reason why it looks like this is because we're packing up at the moment and we're preparing for the degree show.
And we all get our own desks in this space, so we all have our own space to work throughout the year.
So this is a wood workshop, and in here there is various different machines that you can use throughout your time here at Staffs Uni. At the beginning of your first year you have a technical instruction which helps to talk through the health and safety of all the machines and how to properly use them. There's machines such as sanders and bandsaws, and there's also a wooden lathe in the back. And we're now in the finishing room, and this is where you can come to bring all your work and do the final finishing touches of your pieces. There is lots of different machines in here. For example, we've got the sanding tables behind us, which help to suck away the extraction when you're sanding pieces. There's lots of tools you can use as well on the walls. They're all free to use as you like. There's different benches and lots of different workspaces you can use whilst you're in here. We'll pass over now to Millie, who's one of our third years doing her final pieces now.
I'm basically using the finishing broom just to do all the kind of little details. So at the minute I'm using my chisels and I'm basically just working on my chair at the minute, doing my little inlays, and then I'll go into the workshop to do kind of the bigger stuff.
This is the resin workshop now. This is where we can do resin, we can do carbon fibre, we can practically make moulds with whatever material you want, just mixing up where the work technician Josh will help you. So we've also got the spray booth behind us where people are now finishing off doing the final spraying before the hand-in.
Right, so we're in the metal workshop. We've got a lot of facilities around, as you can see. Behind us as well, we've got a hammering room.
We've got a folding machine, just one of the machines here. And we've also just got a new cutting machine, guillotine.
Right, so this is our welding and forging room. Over here is where we do our forging, and over here is where we do our welding. Not many of the universities have facilities like this, so we are really fortunate to be able to make what we like. So now we're in the fine metal room. We've got two rooms. We'll take you to the other room separately. But in this room, we've got a pickler.
Yeah.
And over here we do soldering. We've got two kilns for enamelling, if you want to add colour to your metal.
So yeah, these are mainly for like silver soldering, and we've also got the big polishing machine as well. So this is for like smaller bits that you would make. So this is the other fine metal room. So here you'll use the small individual saws to cut out intricate detail, more probably like jewellery, and you can work with a big range of metals. So you've got brass, copper, sterling silver. This is definitely for the smaller bits. We've also got all the other little machines that are hand use really.
Thank you so much for watching. We really hope that you find this useful.
To find out more, go follow PFC Staffs Uni Instagram.
Or visit our website, Staffs University.